Have you heard the word macros and always wondered what they can really do for you? Have you enabled or disabled a macro created by others and wondered what you've just done? Would you like to be able to create and run your own macros? If so, then our Excel 2016 Spotlight on Macros course with me, Fiona Hannon, Certified Trainer, is the right course for you. This macros course introduces you to the power of macros in Microsoft's most recent version. It takes existing Excel users and guides you through step-by-step tutorials that are easy to follow. You'll learn how to record your own macro, understand where to store it, and then assign it to buttons or icons in order to run it. This course will also look at macro security settings. At the end of the course, you can take our online assessment to gain certification to prove to yourself and others that you are a skilled macro user. Join thousands of people like you by getting the most out of Excel 2016. Enjoy the course.